Loose bolts and stripped screws can turn a 5-minute job into an hour-long nightmare. Stop wasting time with cheap tools. Today, we're breaking down the best hex wrenches to make every fix fast and frustration-free. Welcome to Today Decision, where we simplify your shopping with hands-on reviews that cut through the noise. Let's find tools that actually get the job done. If you're looking for strength and organization at an affordable price, the Amazon Basics Hex Key Set delivers. It features 26 hex wrenches made of chrome vanadium steel. Great for torque and resistant to corrosion thanks to its black oxide finish. The long arm design offers extra reach, while the ball end tips give you up to 25 degrees of angled entry. The set includes both metric and SAE sizes, all neatly stored in 2 hinged cases with labeled slots. It's practical, durable, and perfect for those working in tight spaces or who just want a well-organized toolkit. Reviewers love the solid build. One customer wrote, "These feel sturdy enough for heavy-duty use, and the size variety is excellent." Others praised the clear cases, though a few noted the size labels can fade over time. Still, it's a favorite for both weekend warriors and seasoned tinkerers. The EFFICERE Hex Wrench Set stands out for precision and build quality. Its 30-piece collection offers both SAE and metric sizes, with each wrench featuring chamfered, machine-ground tips that fit perfectly into fasteners without rounding them out. Made from chrome vanadium steel with a powder-coated finish, they offer lasting durability. The foldable storage case keeps everything organized and easy to access, making it ideal for tasks that need a reliable, snug fit. Customers highlight the accurate fit. One said, "These tips slide right in, and I haven't stripped a screw since." Some wish the size markings were larger, but overall, users appreciate the quality and price point. Need power and flexibility? The ELEAD Hex Key Set gives you both. With 31 heat-treated alloy steel wrenches, both inch and metric, you're covered for any task. It includes long and short arms, plus a torque handle to help with stubborn bolts. Everything is packed into a sturdy, labeled case for quick access. Whether you're assembling furniture or fine-tuning your gear, this is the definition of a do-it-all set. Users love the leverage and size range. One review said, "The torque handle helped me break loose a bolt I thought was rusted solid." Others like the case, but a few mentioned the smaller keys can fall out if you're not careful. If strength and durability are top priority, go for the Bondhus L-Wrench Set. Built from titanium steel, 20% stronger than standard, these wrenches last longer under stress. The ProGuard finish offers 5 times more rust resistance, and the ball end lets you reach up to 25 degrees off angle. With both metric and SAE sizes, this set is perfect for tight, awkward jobs, where failure isn't an option. Redditors and pros alike swear by Bondhus. One said, "These are the strongest hex wrenches I've ever owned." Some users mentioned the coating can scratch over time, but the consensus is clear: this is a serious tool for serious jobs. Want more in-depth reviews and comparison guides? Head over to todaydecision.ca for expert advice on the tools that actually work. And while you're here, subscribe to Today Decision for weekly picks that help you shop smarter.